welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Elevating Souls. Rangbalang Parish hosts unforgettable Catholic youth retreat. KSU and Lyon Institute launch free coaching class for CUET exam. Outrage mounts over gruesome murder of 3 youths in Garo Hills. And clash erupts between restaurant workers and customers at Yo Maulong. Another news in detail. The annual Catholic Youth Retreat of Rangbalang Parish was a profound experience for over 300 Catholic youth, guided by Father Pendelang Kongklat SDB from April 20th to 21st, 2024. The retreat encompassed enlightening sessions on topics like spirituality, media, marriage, and abortion. Father Kongklat urged attendees to prioritize God, embrace scripture, adhere to church commandments, cherish the Eucharist, seek divine guidance, and embrace leadership roles. On the evening of 20th, youth availed the opportunity for confession facilitated by Father John Karshandi, Father Paul Kutala, Father Pendelang, and Father Jeffrey. Apart from sessions, attendees immersed themselves in prayer, adoration, Holy Mass, and healing sessions, fostering a serene atmosphere in the hall and church. Energized and renewed, the youth departed with a newfound zeal to embark on their spiritual journey. The Education Cell of the Khasi Students Union KSU, in collaboration with Lyon Institute, initiated a free coaching class on April 22nd, 2024 for students preparing for the CUET examinations. The inauguration, graced by dignitaries including Ferdinand Karkamni, President of KSU North Khasi Hills District, highlighted the program's aim to familiarize students with the new exam. With 80 students attending in person and an additional 30 accessing online teaching, the initiative strives to enhance awareness and comprehension of the CUET exam among students. Notable attendees included Banjab Maring, Stephanie M. Nongbri, Reverend Precious Timung, and Sankupar Singli.
CUET exam. Ni kerman skam, bagi nari Khubor ke jumpi, bagi kani kejing penbaik jungi negara dosen kalau bersisok. Ni kerman skam, baru i Samla, i bawan ban simbenta, akhirnya ka free coaching jungi, bagi lo sisa job, bagi kerman bagi nyelap hari jumpi keren yang exam. Saya sih nak sampai Khubor i Samla. Pulih di bawah syarikat ka jumpa kaya yang ka exam ni kerman skam ba hakisni ba pinyo ya ta ki result no ta ki trans jumpi ba ki apa wan sakma ba I jad mere jungi ni pni banyiru ngilong di bebet bebiang ki start ada jumpa jumpa khat ki bebiang ro ada hormat ban ya compare ni ban compare ba ya nujor Perkiwi parti jalan dari grupo negeri di Shibaro. Ini kerman skam lembah jong kene pasi mentah dan long sisa ka jisa jingkan mau bat kum kini ki programs naglang juga sengin nang ya tulun na kawi Khubor syakwi por pat Khubor kenamba minang lak sisu bangai kai ko bha nak bha tam te Samla pule jumi ya tangi asyur kerman
to all students, whether they are in the city, whether they are in the village. Okay, so we are very thankful to Lyon and KSU for organizing such a coaching for each one of you. I think this is the first time that we are having this in Ripoy, and I do hope that it will really help you to do better. Okay, so the teaching will be divided in 2 sections. I will be taking most of the topics for you. In the class, we will do anything that is general. It can be on logic, reasoning, English, general English. However, if any of you want a specialized in your own specialized field, in your own specialization, be it history, economics, English, education, geography, any of the subjects that you want, then you will need to form a group. Okay, for those of you who are in history, you will form a group of history group, education, like education group, and then those kind of classes will be after the general class. You'll be having one general class per day, each batch, and I will take an extra classes for those of you who are willing to take for your own specialization. Is that clear? Okay. What I have learned through all the entrance exam, I've already given my NET exams for my MA, and it's fortunately that I cleared it only in first attempt. So the first thing that you need to do for any competitive exams is you need to have a command over the language. If you do not have a command over the language, you will not even understand what the question asks, and you will end up writing things that are not even in the questions. Okay? So most of the things that you will be doing will be based on reading passage. So your comprehension skills should be good. Reading skills should be good. Okay? So what I urge you is like, don't take this lightly. You go home, start reading, check your grammar properly. Okay, many of us are very weak in grammar, so we really need to work hard on our grammar. I hope together we can make you successful. Okay, one. Second, this is just a coaching. It will not be like teaching you. You will be having maybe around between 15 to 30 days. I think the exam is scheduled from which day? 15 to 31st of May. Okay, so maybe some of you will be getting on 15. Some of you will be getting on 22nd. Okay, so the more late your exams is, the more beneficial it will be for you. You will have more days to attend the classes. Okay, so it will. Let's take a time frame of around 15 days. That is what you have, and we have a huge syllabus to complete because most of the questions will come from
Tura witnessed a gathering of concerned citizens and leaders from GSMC, AHAM and GSU DEPA unit on Monday morning at Wegasi in North Garo Hills, denouncing the horrific murder of 3 youths in Rongmil under Rongjeng PS, East Garo Hills. The victims, hailing from Golpara, Assam, were reportedly slain by unidentified assailants on April 16, with their bodies found partially buried the following day. Amidst calls for justice, police are actively investigating the case. Social organizations across Golpara and Garo Hills have united in condemnation, advocating for compensation to be granted for the grieving families.
Dian wage si songko aro area ko bimu manhani kemen biasa lo cina wage sini dengkang berang sungin solder aro dengkang hingga dong with songko no podeling berang baksa ya salo cina cancir maha cancir me cina arita songni mandirang baksa ya salo cina jigalan ikut akinga jadi yang kemen sal somayo asal obosong gobara ya North Carolina biak uja yang kemen sal somayo asal obosong gobara East Carolina aja songa uni kemen ya pangnan ya asal obosong gin semua ba cungi ya North Carolina ko jigon wage si songko bimang manong cem yang ni bidungo cengarak kenjegala uni kemen jirangan social media rango aro news rango ni acem tak sampai nak simang songko no ko masih aro namit thale masih mangsa songni bimang ko aro dentang betan yang ku biat pacina ni anga antang ni biani ko akan dapat nak kusuk biang Ini ni hamni pistin, angni binu ko lema pistin sang mamua. Anga taalo ya kudruk ni Zabri hajang ni kudruk ya diapo wagi si diapo nga taalo man angni mandirang ni kundapana anga riba. Maina ya mangni mungsa ko condemn ni ko nang nakinga. Ngotan wa mangni area wo je asal obos parang aha wa mangni sungko nampo nani man ya sungni mandirang jegalan ko inga ini men mijalo tengah adita amsuni mandirang baksa tengah akan bukan iko dakaha wa gamot ko ya mangnaba talatan iko ngan baksana public naba tengah clarify ko zona namnaka ena je sungotan ya cidok tarik jabri hajar ni golgot ini salo dia sel ong hajam wa sel obos thani man angan de agan dapna nam ka maina taal de pet yo wagi si ko bimung mengani ko angan thaba jigal na namna ka mana ya wagi si media ka akja
jian yang men samsumai rango siduk thai ko Iskar bisa asal berterang macam. Dia ni video tengah adita mijang sani baku tengah sambil di dalam satu tentang meeting aku. Cantik ya jian ya area ko aro Meghalaya ko bingung ni. Meghalaya ko bingung ni semua jian ya biar ko dah alu salo wajib si biar ko tengah tumda tengah. Dia tumda kan ni tengah. Jikon yang men sal sumai rango anjing dingtang news rango Assamese news rango aro Garu news rango dingtang biar bingung aku ni jian wajib si songko aro area ko bimu manahani kemen biasa lo tengah wajib sini dengkang dengkang barang sungi no solder aro dengkang hingga dong wid songko ko deling barang baksa ya salo tengah cancir maha cancir me tengah adita sap adita songi mandrang baksa ya salo tengah jigalan ko dakinga je riang kemen sal somayo asal ubosong go bara ya north koreans biap unja riang kemen sal somayo asal ubosong go bara east koreans ajaw songa uni kemen ya pangnan ya asal ubosong gin semua ba cungi ya north koreans ko jikon wagi si songko bimung manong acem yang ni bidungo cengarak ken jigala uni kemen jirangan social media rango aro news rango ni acem.
Tension flared at Sao Ayom restaurant in Yau Maulong on April 20th as a clash erupted between workers and customers. Shanborlang Sotun, the restaurant owner, characterized the incident on April 22nd as a minor altercation. Allegedly, workers asked customers to leave after closing hours, promptly a refusal to pay for their meals. With tensions escalating, police intervention diffused the situation swiftly. Sotun emphasized the incident's isolated nature, attributing it to a misunderstanding over closing times. Authorities are investigating the matter, aiming to prevent future confrontations and ensure a peaceful dining experience for all.
Kahuri ura kapa day kata kacing ya persya cat penriu na kacing isi cat penriu handai kamde ya kata handai ke kapa nak kalian kecongi hadian nang tu ki napa kini ki Punjabi kita nang tu ndai ke kumbalai ngot songot ki wan ban ya song ya bam ya dia tu apa kadukan kecongi apa kabar te hadian nang tu akapor sipo beci sipo tam tu ngi tengila dei ke porkhang tengin kalian congi ngi la kitu ki kena kecongi la ba no yaki hadian balabe iki tena kalian kecung iki kem priang ya kata te hadian nang tandai kalong ba dah priang kecing dom bangi ba cubor iki tena kalian kecung kini kapo sakta banang bangim siu ya ka bai bam kecung kiro te hadian bakaya kem tra ban siu tena kalian kecung iki lasang ban ya nya tena kalian ki tu ki kena kecung iki la sipun ada pulit te hadian melapun kilawan ki pulit te kilapan mi ya ki sabar hadian melami sabar tena kalian ki kitu ki kena alcongi berkumcuru na kalian congki la sarana support hanat hadian melara satanat tena kalian congki ro kila penbet ya tak cembak la te hadian nonton di kalong ba na kalian congki sa na mentau ni kena ubatrai bani te kemudian kalian cong ki pulir ki kalam pelacu angtai hado bandale ngana phasa ngada we pat u brio nang to balai bu yo usi yang mentaka banyada ya ka cingum cungum jadi untuk kalau ba ditang itahi andai kamdade atau kecengja ka ba ha do rata andai ke Shillong no tang gedap ni kum to ndalaya bu at kum kadan ni kecengya mi kum ni andai banong kan mi adu rata ta kamdade ya tai
Apa ide pat bagani jing kenan nun menu
te nak kalian kecong ini long ngi tengem tep so nama hadian ba marsen mi itu kecengya kaca tengi la aku mengalong lada pun pulut telawan dan kalian cong ki kena ru saban let siapa tanan siapa konten mende nak kalian ka cong itu ki kena berkhoin te kamu ki lakhang so kedukan ya hadian belakang kedukan telara tengi tengem tupsu ka baca hadian cong tandai tengin ong kenhun rong ngem tupsu nomor kapor mit te pilatip hi bodan sabar ru pun melabu sudah ngem tupsu badi menorukan te handai long kacing cian nangi te kamdade ya banong kata kacing ya dak cing syo apa cong kedukan kamdi sepo dukan handai kadi sabarkan
kan juja tem yang kum kan ya cinja
ha kacing sisa kanian de ka long apa dukan cong te kadi kesin banumpang ka baca handai sakabi ku ki saka tengen ong kumno babun hiten kadon hite hayo te kacing ya syo kacing ya dak te kadon handai ka kamdalong apat banong hadu banda mi kumni kanong baral kan
Bai dei pat ba tu jing ja an la dat na dukan pi dei. Kadam ke jing ya thu ba kyom ba. Kami sa ta kan hon na thmi mu long kin wan da ki. Lai po sa phomon ta to ka dei jing sha le na.
Te nakaliang chong itang tip su umon mar kawi ge long nakaliang chong aro adin nong to tang hadin bala adap khang gadukan te nakaliang chong pi khana ge la po thanan ni rong ni sulai be tang po thanan ni khmi ro su chani ja rom te adin tong su sem na tang to khana tre ngi le pu na yu si te ko mon tip su ga baca pat adin chong to kan.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.